Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through quality attributes. So quality attributes are given by this scientist guys. So I cannot pronounce the name properly, so that's the reason why I am skipping. So in shortcut, he is called as HP. He developed a set of software quality attributes. Okay. So which are given by the acronym FURPS. Okay. So now let us see what are those. So the first one is nothing but architecture. Guys, I didn't write in the order. If you want in the order, FURPS, right? FURPS. Okay. So F means functionality. FU means functionality. R means, okay. P means performance. Okay, I think the letters does not match. I think so. Okay guys, let it be. Okay, so the first quality is nothing but architecture guys. So it is a key property. So basically if you are designing a software module, even for smaller modules, we will be designing an architecture, right? So it might be a data driven or content flow like that. There are multiple architectures. So we'll be following any architecture. So it is a key property of software system. It describes the internal structure of the software system. Guys, we'll be discussing about the architectures and everything in the next unit. Like after around 4 to 5 units in 4.1 or 4.2 we'll be starting the discussions about architectures. Don't worry. Okay. So a good or simple structure makes the system easy to understand and to changes and test and to maintain the things, right? So it makes everything easy and fast guys. Okay. So the second is nothing but correctness. So correctness, from the name itself we can say to check whether it is correct according to the client requirements or not. So a design should be created as per the client requirements that are collected and analyzed. So it should be 100% matching. So then we can say the software design or the design model is having the correctness, the property correctness. Similarly, performance. It is measured by the process speed, response time, resource consumption, throughput, efficiency. So based on these attributes, we can just check the performance guys, whether the performance of the system is good or not. So you can design multiple with multiple architectures and you can check these processes and you can calculate these values and you can compare like which is better, which will perform better in that way. Functionalities. It is evaluated by evaluating the feature set and capabilities of a program, generality of the function, security of the overall system. So basically we will be making sure that the system is having some particular functionalities like some kind of small block of codes to do a particular task, and basically the security is also established properly. Okay, so these are some kind of quality attributes which are given by the scientist HP. Okay, so in the next lecture we will be going through one of the most important topic, that is nothing but design concepts guys. So what are the concepts which are included in this designing concepts? Okay, so let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching.